Diets and their influence on food culture. Diets have become a popular topic in today's society, with many people choosing to adopt different eating habits for a variety of reasons. From veganism to the paleo diet, there are many different diets that people follow to improve their health, lose weight, or reduce their impact on the environment. However, these diets can also have a significant influence on food culture, shaping the way that people eat, cook, and think about food. In this article, we will explore the influence of diets on food culture and examine some of the ways that diets have impacted the way that we eat. Veganism. Veganism is a lifestyle that involves abstaining from the use of animal products for ethical, environmental, or health reasons. This includes not only meat and dairy products but also products such as honey, leather, and cosmetics that are derived from animals. Veganism has become increasingly popular in recent years, with many people choosing to adopt a vegan diet for health, ethical, and environmental reasons. The rise of veganism has had a significant impact on food culture, with many restaurants and food companies offering vegan options to cater to this growing market. Veganism has also led to the development of innovative plant-based products, such as vegan cheese, meat substitutes, and dairy-free ice cream. Additionally, veganism has encouraged people to experiment with new ingredients and cooking techniques, leading to the creation of new and delicious vegan recipes. Paleo diet. The paleo diet, also known as the caveman diet, is a diet that is based on the types of foods that were available to our ancestors during the Paleolithic era. This diet consists of foods such as lean meats, fish, fruits, and vegetables, while excluding grains, dairy products, and processed foods. The paleo diet has become popular in recent years, with many people adopting this diet for weight loss, improved health, and to reduce inflammation in the body. The paleo diet has had a significant influence on food culture, particularly in terms of the popularity of grass-fed and pasture-raised meats. This has led to an increased demand for high-quality meat products, which has encouraged the growth of small-scale and local farming operations. Additionally, the paleo diet has encouraged people to focus on whole, unprocessed foods, leading to a renewed interest in traditional cooking methods and ingredients. Keto diet. The keto diet, also known as the ketogenic diet, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that is designed to promote weight loss and improve health. This diet involves eating foods that are high in fat, such as meat, cheese, and nuts, while limiting carbohydrates, such as bread, pasta, and sugar. The keto diet has become popular in recent years, with many people adopting this diet for weight loss, improved energy, and to reduce inflammation in the body. The keto diet has had a significant impact on food culture, particularly in terms of the popularity of high-fat foods. This has led to an increased demand for foods such as avocados, nuts, and coconut oil, which are all high in healthy fats. Additionally, the keto diet has encouraged people to find creative ways to replace carbohydrates in their meals, leading to the development of new and innovative keto-friendly recipes. However, the keto diet has also been criticized for its restrictive nature and potential long-term effects on health. Gluten-free diet. The gluten-free diet is a diet that excludes gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. This diet is often followed by people with celiac disease, gluten intolerance, or those who choose to avoid gluten for other health reasons. The gluten-free diet has become increasingly popular in recent years, with many restaurants and food companies offering gluten-free options to cater to this growing market. The rise of the gluten-free diet has had a significant impact on food culture, particularly in terms of the availability of gluten-free products. This has led to an increased demand for alternative flours, such as almond flour and